Hello everyone. Today in this video we'll be discussing the sixth lab program of web lab, which is the PHP program. What we are basically writing is a PHP program to keep track of the number of visitors visiting the web page and to display this count of visitors with proper headings. Okay, so how many people have visited the page means how many time I have refreshed the page. At that many times it should increment a count. I'll keep a counter variable and that will get incremented each time I click refresh, and that answer will be stored in a counter.txt file. Okay, that will be in my same folder itself. Okay, before starting there are a few steps to follow because we have to first install PHP program and we have to set up the things, and then I'll be saying what all the files you need to create, and after that we'll be seeing the code part. Okay, so first, to download the file, open a new tab and go to Google, and there you search as here you search as XAMPP download. Okay, and you have to go to the first link, which is apachefriends.org, and click on download XAMPP. And after you reach here, check your version if it's 32-bit or 64-bit. If it's 32-bit, you have to go to more downloads and search for 32-bit, else you'll be clicking on this one and downloading it. After that, the installer will start, and everything you have to just click as okay, accept and install. And after you have installed it, you have to go to the this part here, and here you will search as XAMPP control panel. Just search as XAMPP control panel and open it. After you open it, you will be seeing these things here. Just click on start and click on start here. Okay, so when these both start running, you'll be seeing attempting to change status detecting running, and here also running. So both the Apache and MySQL are running. So you'll be minimizing this one, and then you'll be going to the my folders. See, first what you do, create a new text document. Okay, create a new text document, and after that you write something. Okay, so what I mean is, go to here in your C directory. Okay, this PC you go. After that, go to C directory and go to XAMPP. Here you will be installing. It will ask you where to install, so make sure you save in Windows C XAMPP. After you click here, you will find htdocs. Okay, this is the thing which you have to click. Htdocs, when you click, you will be finding some things here. All your what you have to do is you have to click, right click it, and make a new file here, text document, and here you will be saving the code. Okay, save this as new text document only now. So I will be showing for once, and rest you will be doing. Okay, so here we will be saving a code. Suppose that this is the PHP code. I'll be saving it as instead of .txt, I'll be saving it as all files, and I'll be saving it as jj. Okay, then I'll click jj.php. Always you have to write php at the end. Okay, after you write php, you'll click as save, and you'll minimize this one. So a new jj file is created. Next, after in htdocs you have created a new file, what you're supposed to do is go to new tab and just type localhost. Okay, localhost slash where you have stored that file, and what is the name, jj.php, right? So you'll search as jj.php. Okay, when you click on enter, at that time you will get your output here. If it is a php file, based on that, whatever is the output, you will get here. Okay, you understood the steps, right? If you did not get any point, you can always rewind this video and watch again. Okay, so this is how you will be doing the stuff. So I have already stored the file here. So what I did is I created a new folder, php program, and inside that I have stored the programs 6 to 10. Okay, now coming to the sixth program, what you're supposed to do is, in the sixth program you have to create a counter.txt also. Just right click and create a new text document and save it as counter.txt, an empty file. Okay, let this be an empty file initially. Okay, just save it as empty file and just close it. Then you will be writing the sixth program. Let's see what is the sixth program. In the sixth program, what we have is the PHP code, total 12 lines of code, and in the 12 lines what we are going to do is we'll be printing it as refresh page. Okay, we'll be printing it as refresh page first. It will print as refresh page. So first let me show you the output, then I will let you know what it is. So since I have stored in the localhost slash php program, so I'll be writing php program, and it is 6.php, so I'll be writing a 6.php. If you have stored in a folder, you have to mention the folder in the between. Okay, after that you will click enter. Okay, now it is showing a refresh page, so warning, you just ignore it, it's not an issue. Total number of views, one, since I have viewed it just once. Okay, so how is this happening? This is happening because of this. Okay, see here. Refresh page is getting displayed because of this, and then name is equal to counter.txt. These are the three variables I'm creating. How many variables I'm creating in this program? Three variables I'm creating: name, file, and heads. Name will store the name of the counter, which is the counter.txt. The file name will be stored. Then I'll open that file name using the name which I have specified here in the read mode. Okay, then I will calculate the hits. Hits is nothing but the content of that file. That content of that file will be stored in hits. Then I'll close that file. What I'll be doing is, what was the previous content, that plus plus. Hits of 0 means the first content of that file, plus plus. So it will become, if it is 1 it will become 2, if it is 2 it will become 3. What does that denote is the previous refresh page count will be incremented by 1. After that again I will open the same page in the same file in the write mode, and then I will printf to that file whatever the hits of 0 value, the updated value I have, then I will again close the file. After I have done these things, it will be stored in the file as well, what is my count, as well as the count will be displayed in the screen here. So again if I refresh the page, as you can see the value will be 2. If I show you counter.txt, that is also parallelly getting updated. I have 2 here, right? If I refresh it and it will become 3, and if I show you the counter value here also, so I'll have to again reopen the counter. So if I open the counter it will become 3. Okay, now again I'll close it. I'll make it as refresh, and again I'll go here and open counter.txt, so it will become 4. Okay, so that's all what is there in the sixth program, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.